Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Chevrolet Silverado, 1999 to 2006? Wondering which fuse controls what in your truck? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 1999, 2000, and 2001 Chevrolet Silverado houses fuses and relays that control interior electrical components like power windows, locks, lights, and the radio. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2002 Chevrolet Silverado controls interior electrical systems such as the power windows, door locks, courtesy lights, and radio. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2003 to 2004 Chevrolet Silverado manages interior electrical functions like power windows, door locks, dome lights, and audio systems. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2005 to 2006 Chevrolet Silverado controls interior electronics such as power windows, door locks, interior lights, and the radio. The center instrument panel relay box in the 1999 to 2002 Chevrolet Silverado contains relays for key functions. The center instrument panel relay box in the 2003 to 2006 Chevrolet Silverado houses relays for systems like retained accessory power, warning chimes, and the HVAC blower. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 1999 and 2000 Chevrolet Silverado protects and distributes power to major engine-related systems like the ABS, fuel pump, ignition, and cooling fans. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2001 to 2002 Chevrolet Silverado controls and protects circuits for systems like the ABS, fuel pump, headlights, ignition, and cooling fans. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2003, 2004, and 2005 Chevrolet Silverado manages high-power circuits for components like the fuel pump, ABS, cooling fans, headlights, and ignition. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2006 Chevrolet Silverado protects and distributes power to key systems such as the fuel pump, ABS, ignition, cooling fans, and headlights. The auxiliary electric cooling fan fuse block in the 2005 and 2006 Chevrolet Silverado controls power to the electric cooling fans for engine temperature regulation.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.